When our hormones drop, symptoms can rise. Today we are talking about what bioidentical hormone replacement can do for you. Dr. Heidi Cook, owner and medical director of the spa at West Glen, is here for this Hello Beautiful. And we are talking about the importance of bioidentical hormone replacement. What is that?
Yeah, so bioidentical hormone, the bioidentical part is very important. Our hormones are kind of like a lock and key. And so when we give someone hormones, we want it to be the exact same molecular structure as what your body makes. So it will fit in that receptor just perfect, and that's what bioidentical means. So bioidentical hormones typically are your testosterone, estrogen, progesterone, thyroid.
And what are some symptoms that someone may need this?
Yeah, so as our hormones start dropping, typically testosterone, when we're talking about women, testosterone is first, then progesterone, then estrogen. So when testosterone drops, you have more issues with energy, less stamina. It also kind of moodiness. A lot of men actually even say it's they lose their competitive edge. So it's that kind of mindset. Also, it helps with muscles. So you might have a harder time in the gym, harder time recovering. So that's testosterone. Progesterone is a calming hormone. So if you don't have progesterone, you have sleep disturbance, maybe not falling asleep right away, waking up in the middle of the night. It also, if it's low, you can have some anxiousness with it too. And then estrogen, hot flashes, night sweats, irritability, moodiness, all of those types of things.
And can this benefit both men and women?
It can, yeah. So we also treat men. So they only need testosterone. And they see a lot of the same things: decreased energy, problems in the gym, and that sort of thing.
And so there are some benefits, even some things that we don't think about, conditions down the road.
Yeah, I think most people do think about the symptoms because you can feel them. But there are a lot of health conditions that getting treated with hormones can help decrease those risk factors. So big ones, heart. So your estrogen and testosterone protect your heart. It helps with decreasing your bad cholesterol, increasing your good cholesterol. Estrogen also affects your blood vessels and keeps them nice and flexible. So all of those things help to protect your heart from any cardiac disease. Then your brain. So lots of new research showing that estrogen is protective against neuroinflammation. So basically that is things that are going to lead to Alzheimer's, dementia, Parkinson's, those sorts of things. And then another really important one is bone health. So testosterone builds bone, estrogen and progesterone maintain bone. So, the first 5 years of menopause, we can lose about 10% of our bone mass as women, and you're then more prone to fractures, if you fall and have hip fractures and that sort of thing. And if anybody goes through premature menopause, so menopause on average is 52, 53. If someone's mid-40s, they're going to have 5 to 7 more years of losing bone mass than kind of even your average woman. So replacing those through whatever form it may be, pellets, creams, troches, patches, things like that, will help to decrease risk factors for all of those disease states.
And is this something we can schedule an appointment to see if this would be good for something for us, and you can test it?
Yeah, and there is, even a symptomatology sheet, so there's a men and a women's one, so you can go through, mark your symptoms to see where you even stand. And then we also do labs, blood work, so we look at the labs, we look at your symptoms, we talk to you about obviously your history, and then we kind of make a plan from there.
Okay, you also have a big congratulations coming up, an open house this Friday celebrating 20 years.
Yeah, so our 20th anniversary and holiday open house is Friday from 3 to 6, and it is actually our 20th. We opened on December 5th. So yeah, so we're super excited. There'll be specials on products and our services, but more importantly, we just want to celebrate with everyone.
Well, congratulations.
Thank you.
Thanks so much for sharing all of this with us today.
Yeah, thank you.
You can set up an appointment online at spawestglen.com or call 515-207-6788. Dr. Heidi and her team are located off Mills Civic Parkway in West Des Moines, and you can follow them on social media for more skincare tips and learn about all the products product trends.